Is your engine roaring like a jet plane even when you are just idling, or conversely? Is your temperature gauge creeping into the red zone because the fan just will not kick on properly? You might be looking at a P0493 code, which indicates a fan overspeed condition. Now, this sounds a bit weird because you usually worry about fans not working, but the computer monitors the cooling fan speed very closely. If the fan is spinning way faster than the manufacturer's parameters allow, or if the clutch has locked up making it spin at full engine RPM constantly, this code gets triggered. This applies to everything from BMWs to Fords. The ECM is trying to regulate engine temperature efficiently, and if the fan is going rogue, it hurts fuel economy, makes a ton of noise, and can actually mask other cooling system problems. First off, safety is number one here. Never put your hands near the fan while the engine is running or even hot, as some electric fans can start unexpectedly. Start with a visual inspection with the engine off and cold. Grab the fan blade and give it a spin. If it is a clutch-driven fan, it should have some resistance but still move. If it is completely locked solid, your fan clutch is seized, and that is why you are getting an overspeed code. It is spinning at the same speed as the water pump pulley with no slip. If it is an electric fan, inspect the wiring harness leading to the motor. You are looking for melted plastic or burnt connectors, which is a classic sign of the fan drawing too much amperage or a bad relay. Speaking of relays, locate the cooling fan relay in your fuse box. If the plastic looks discolored or smells like burnt electronics, swap it out. A stuck relay can keep a fan running flat out when it shouldn't be. Also, check the connector pins for corrosion. It only takes one bad pin to mess up the speed signal returning to the ECM. If the wiring, relay, and fan clutch check out, you might be looking at a rare ECM failure. But 90% of the time, this is a mechanical failure of the fan clutch or a melted wire causing the signal to go haywire.